Okay, so with the wheel off, it's pretty clear that we just have a busted shock. Let's see. The top mount seems okay. So is the bottom shock mount. Oil's just completely out of the shock. Is it rubbing a bit up here, maybe? Don't know how that's happened, or maybe that's just the way it is. I actually have the time today, so I might give this a clean and let it dry right away, get a new shock. So yeah, I'll do that now. This shock looks okay. The liner stuck in for some reason. Top mount feels okay. So does the bottom, but we'll replace this one too, just because you should always replace suspension parts in pairs. So just like the other side, let's clean up the side. Have that out, there's two Phillips heads either side of this plastic trim piece. I'll just take the top cover off, take them screws out, and then from there is some plastic tabs down here. Just get a flat head in here, pull them out, go along and do that. So now that we have everything loosened, we should be able to just pull off from the bottom. I'll need to empty everything out of here, but we want to take this inside pocket off, and there'll be a couple of clips holding this in. There's one at the top there, and just unscrew that luggage carrier rack there, which I think is a Torx, but I'll double check that. And there's another clip up the top here. So yep, let's get that done. So with that liner removed, top of the shock just under this, and that is us there. So what we'll do is get a spanner for the bottom nut and a socket just to hold the top spline of the shock steady, and we'll loosen it from there. So that bottom nut is a 16mm and the top nut I think is a 5.5, but I only have a 6, so I'm going to try a 6 and see if it works for me first. Bit of an awkward place, so I'm going to try and sit the camera down. Hopefully that's in view. See that removed. Yep, as you can see, the top mount's been loosened. The top mount is actually a wee bit stuck in it, I'll just have to press that down from above. And what we're looking to get out is this bottom mount down here. As you can see, on that side, one up the top. You can see it's the same the other side. To get them out, it's just this Torx bolt right here, and the same on the other side, where the seat's right there. So let's get them off. Now to get the actual shock out, you want to just pull the top down as much as you can, and then really just have to try and wiggle this bottom mount here out. It's kind of best if you can. It's hard to do with one hand, but try and get it up a bit better. If you can get it just close to the edge there and get a small pry bar in, just to help lift it out. Take this. Unfortunately, I ordered the wrong set of bump stops, and this is originally came out of the car, and this is the set I ordered, so definitely not the right size. I was thinking of cutting down the size, but I don't think that's going to work either, so I think I'll just have to reuse these the time being, and then order myself another one and take them out and redo it again. But first, let's get this bottom mount on. Looking at it, you can see there's a bit of a concave at the bottom. That's how you know it goes up this way around onto the bottom of the shock. Plus the nuts are at the top here, and the nuts are at the top here, and that's obviously for the bolt to come underneath to go up through this way to catch it. So let's get this on. The shock does come with a new locking nut. Now what you can do is tighten this nut while holding here with a spanner, or if you wanted to, this is probably the same size as the top of the shock from above, 5.5 or 6. You can hold that and tighten it. But because you can kind of hold the body of the shock here, I'm just going to hold the body of the shock and put an impact on this on a low setting just to tighten it up. I'm actually just going to hold the top of this just to be safe. Do the impact. The impact set to the low setting. Perfect. Just going to check that. The ratchet to see how tight it is. Kind of hard to see in here, but let's just put this back in, same way we got it out. There we go. Let's just reinstall these two bottom bolts. Bump stop on, and I was actually wrong before. This little metal sleeve comes in with the new top mount. Get that in there. Pull that down again slightly. And now let's get it into this top hole here. top mount on. Let's get started by hand. And same method as before, 16mm at the bottom and 5.5 or 6mm at the top. This top mount is actually slightly different than the old one. Shock is still a 5.5 or 6 at the top, but this top nut here is 15mm rather than 16mm. So let's get that on that. Forgot to put this rubber piece back in the top mount.